Why humans need food and water. The science of eating and drinking. Every single day, humans eat food and drink water. We do it so often that most people never stop to ask one simple question. Why do humans actually need food and water to survive? What happens inside the body when we eat? Why can humans survive weeks without food, but only a few days without water? Today, we will explore the fascinating science behind eating and drinking and discover how food and water keep the human body alive. The human body needs energy. The human body is like a living machine. Even when we are sleeping, the body is constantly working. The heart keeps beating. The lungs keep breathing. The brain keeps thinking. Cells continue repairing and replacing themselves. All of these activities require energy. Humans get most of this energy from food. Without energy, the body cannot function properly. That is why humans must eat regularly. Food acts like fuel for the body, similar to gasoline for a car. Without fuel, the system eventually stops working. What happens when we eat? When humans eat food, the digestive system begins an incredible process. Food first enters the mouth, where teeth break it into smaller pieces. Saliva starts helping digestion immediately. Then food travels down the esophagus into the stomach. Inside the stomach, strong acids and enzymes break food into tiny particles. Next, the food moves into the intestines, where nutrients are absorbed into the bloodstream. These nutrients are delivered throughout the body. The body uses them for energy, growth, repair, and survival. Everything we eat becomes part of the body in some way. Important nutrients humans need. Humans need different kinds of nutrients to stay healthy. Here are some of the most important ones. 1. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are one of the body's main energy sources. Foods like rice, bread, potatoes, and fruit contain carbohydrates. The body converts them into glucose, which cells use for energy. 2. Protein. Protein helps build and repair muscles, skin, and body tissues. Protein is especially important for growth and recovery. 3. Fat. Healthy fats provide long-lasting energy and help support the brain and hormones. Not all fats are bad. The body actually needs certain fats to function properly. 4. Vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals help the body perform many important jobs. For example, calcium supports bones, iron helps carry oxygen, and vitamin C supports the immune system. A balanced diet helps the body receive these essential nutrients. Why water is essential. Water is even more important than food for short-term survival. The human body is made mostly of water. Human body water composition. Water helps the body regulate temperature, transport nutrients, remove waste, protect organs, and support chemical reactions inside cells. Humans lose water every day through sweat, breathing, and urination. That lost water must be replaced. Without enough water, the body becomes dehydrated. Dehydration can cause weakness, headaches, confusion, and serious health problems. That is why drinking enough water is extremely important. What happens without food and water? Without food, the body begins using stored energy. First, it burns stored carbohydrates, then fat. Eventually, the body may begin breaking down muscle tissue. People can sometimes survive weeks without food, depending on conditions. But without water, survival becomes much shorter. After only a few days without water, the body may begin shutting down. Organs need water to function properly. The brain, heart, kidneys, and other organs depend on hydration. This shows how essential water is for human life. Healthy eating and drinking habits. Healthy eating is not just about survival. It also affects energy levels, concentration, mood, sleep, and long-term health. Eating a balanced variety of foods helps the body work efficiently. Drinking enough water also supports physical and mental performance. Simple, healthy habits can make a big difference over time. Food and water are not just daily habits. They are the foundation of human life. Every heartbeat, every thought, every movement inside the body depends on the nutrients and hydration we receive each day. So the next time you eat a meal or drink a glass of water, remember, you are giving your body the fuel it needs to stay alive, grow, and experience the world. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more educational videos.